This Bopoid Women's Heated Vest stands out for its powerful, high-capacity battery that delivers fast warmth and keeps heat going through long winter outings. Four thoughtfully placed heating zones at the neck, back, and abdomen create a balanced cocoon of warmth that feels cozy rather than patchy or overly hot in one spot. The combination of smooth nylon outside and soft fleece-based lining inside makes the vest feel light, flexible, and comfortable enough for all-day wear without overheating. App-based control for the temperature levels is genuinely useful, letting you fine-tune the heat on the fly without fumbling for hidden buttons under layers. Because the vest is designed to be machine washable when handled correctly, it is far easier to keep clean than many heated garments that require special care. Its practical cut, range of sizes, and versatility for everything from dog walks to skiing make this vest a smart cold weather staple and a thoughtful gift for anyone who runs cold.